Guitar Nicholas Zakaria, the senior lecturer of Sungura music. Nicholas, Madzibaba, Zakaria, a towering figure in Zimbabwean music, has left an indelible legacy as one of the founding fathers of the Sungura genre. Known affectionately as the senior lecturer, for his role in nurturing a generation of music stars, his career spanned nearly 5 decades, marked by soulful guitar work and songs steeped in moral and spiritual reflection. Scroll life and musical journey. Born in 1956 at Belgownie Estate in Mazo, Zimbabwe, Nicholas Zakaria's musical roots were humble. Despite his parents' initial discouragement, his passion for the guitar prevailed, eventually earning his father's blessing. Early career. His professional journey began in the mid-1970s with the group The Green Mangoes. The Khiama Boys. In 1984, after a stint with the Vhuka Boys, he co-founded the legendary Khiama Boys in Harare. This group became a major force in Sungura music, and its lineup served as a launching pad for future icons like Alec Machiso, System Tazvita, and Cephas Karushanga. This mentorship role is what cemented his nickname, the senior lecturer. Brief hiatus and return. Zakaria briefly stepped away from music in the late 1990s to work as a haulage truck driver but made a successful return to the industry in 2003. Musical style. His music is defined by the traditional Sungura sound, plain, original instrumentation with no computerization. While his former students often evolved into more innovative styles, Zakaria's music is noted for its calmness, maturity, and meditative quality, often carrying strong Christian themes, leading some to regard his work as gospel music. He was also known for his inclusion of Chewa language songs, reflecting his Malawian origins. Blu-ray albums and notable tracks. Over his extensive career, Nicholas Zakaria boasted a catalog of over 29 albums. His body of work includes many fan favorites that have become Sungura classics. Ramangwana, 2002, features popular tracks like Mabvi Nimagakora and Mweri Veriko. Chewa Hits, 2005, a compilation highlighting his songs in the Chewa language, including Zombelambela. Karapa Nimazwi, 2012, includes songs like Mashoko Ako and Enzira Yakanaka. Other well-known hits: Endine Mubvunzo, Musaro Wemba, Mazano, Ida Anakuda, and Chikumbiro. Trophy awards and recognition. While details on a complete list of his awards are not immediately available, Nicholas Zakaria's lifelong contribution and continued relevance were recognized through nominations, such as his album Inzwa Unzwe being nominated for the Best Sungura Album at the Zimbabwe Music Awards ZIMA 2020. His greatest award might be the profound respect and admiration he earned, epitomized by his enduring moniker, Senior Lecturer, which acknowledged his immense influence on subsequent generations of Zimbabwean musicians. The news of his passing. Nicholas Madzibaba Zakaria passed away at the age of 68. His family confirmed his death in a statement, expressing deep sadness and honoring the indelible mark he left on the music world. While the exact immediate cause of death was not disclosed, the artist had been admitted to the hospital the previous year following a diagnosis of diabetes. Nicholas Zakaria's passing marks the end of an era, but his legacy, built on talent, dedication, and the nurturing of others, will continue to resonate through the heart of Sungura music. Here is a video from his official YouTube channel. Nicholas Zakaria. Zombelambela official video. This video showcases one of Nicholas Zakaria's well-known hit songs, Zombelambela.